Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll discuss one more problem from Fourier series. This is part 2. In this video, we are going to discuss this problem. Once a signal f of t is 1 plus 2 cosine pi t plus 3 sine 2 pi upon 3t plus 4 cos 2 pi by 2 t plus pi by 4. The signal is given and we need to find out its fundamental time period in second. This problem is taken from GATE 2019 paper. Now we'll try to solve this problem. So this is the signal f of t. Now in this signal we are having one DC term 1 and rest are AC component cosine and sine, right? Now for any cosine or sine signal, x of t equals to a cos 2 pi ft or sine 2 pi ft, then frequency is f, that is in linear frequency in hertz. So in this case, first one component is DC, right? And second one, this cos pi t, its frequency, if we compare 2 pi ft, then f1 is equals to half. From second one, its frequency is 2 pi ft and f is obviously 1/3 hertz. And for the third one, it is pi by 2t, so 2 pi ft. So f is 1/4. So I'll call f3 equal to 1/4. And this pi by 4, this is the angle with this signal. So we'll not consider this one. Now, this signal f of t will be periodic if signal contains sine or cos component which are having the frequency, the integer multiple of fundamental frequency. So all the components should have integer multiple of fundamental frequency, then only signal is periodic. So here we'll consider that f naught is fundamental frequency, then f1 could be m1 times f1 f naught, f2 maybe m2 times f naught, and f3 equals to m3 times f naught, where m1, m2, m3 should be integers, right? So here we need to find out what is your f naught, and f naught is the fundamental frequency, that is the maximum frequency, okay, f naught, so that f1, f2, f3, these are integer multiple of f naught. Thus we can say that f naught is nothing but the HCF, highest common factor of these three frequencies, f1, f2 and f3, right? And in this case, f1 is half, f2 is 1/3, and this is 1/4. So that HCF we need to compute, and that is equals to, so all are having 1 numerators, so that is only 1, and denominator is 2, 3, 4, so that there we need to take LCM. So LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12, thus f naught is 1/12, and t naught is 1/f naught, so this is 1/1/1/12 equals to 12 only, so it is 12 second, right? So this problem is very easy. If this video is useful to you, then you can press like button, and this will give you some encouragement to put more number of videos in this channel. So thanks for watching.